How to add product in Shopify. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, if it is your first time adding a product on Shopify, your products menu will be empty. But since our demo store already has some products in it, you will see them below. Just disregard those. Either way, the process will be the same. So the first step on how to add products on Shopify is to locate the product menu from your Shopify admin and click the add product button. Then fill out the product page. The product page contains a lot of spaces that you need to fill with information. Do not skip any of these areas as these are crucial to better inventory management. Write your product title, then write a compelling product description, upload your product image, categorize your product, then fill out the product organization and indicate the pricing. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.